How to get leads on LinkedIn using this simple strategy. Follow my simple strategy for the next 1 month and you will have a lot of leads coming in your way. The strategy will only work if you have an optimized LinkedIn profile, you have a hard skill, and you are willing to put in efforts and stay consistent. Now, what is the strategy? You need to upload one piece of content regularly on LinkedIn. The content should be related to your niche. Now, what to post on LinkedIn? You can post informative content, talk about your niche, talk about the problems and pain points of your customers, and you can even share the case studies and your recent achievements. Next is to engage in competitors' post. Engage with people relevant to your niche. Let your competitor do the hard work and you just go there and connect with the prospects. Next is to reach out to clients in the DMs. Find your targeted companies, search their CEOs and founders and connect with them. Reach out to them with a personalized message. That's it. If you follow this strategy for 1 month, leads are guaranteed.